on behalf of Otumfuo Osei the Second, Asantehene, and the chairman of the Manhyia Museum Committee Board, Mr. Isaac Kwabena Addo, and other members of the committee, I welcome each and every one of you to this press conference that has been occasioned as a result of the need to temporarily close the museum to the public. But before I say anything further, I would like to introduce members of the management committee that sit with me here. To my immediate left is my chairperson, Mr. Isaac Kwabena Addo. And then next after him is lawyer Kwame Ahin. And then Mr. Peter Echampon, also a member of the committee, and also the Ashanti Regional Director of Tourism. To my immediate right is Mrs. Janet Jima Kessi. And then to my extreme right is Mr. Justice Brobe, the curator of the Manhyia Palace Museum. Behind me is Mr. Agbeko Morte, Director of Quality Network Solutions Limited, one of the partners that we are working with. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, last year, October 20th, to be precise, Manhyia Palace Museum received a grant totaling 3,363,612 from the World Bank through the Ministry of Tourism to upgrade the operations of the Manhyia Palace Museum and to undertake serious renovations. This was after the management board had gone through a rigorous application process. The funds, as set out in the conditions of disbursement, will be released in tranches. And as we speak, it has been released. We are pleased to inform you that the first tranche of 1,045,415 Ghana cedis, 70 pesos, has been received into our account, and that's the reason for calling you here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, in view of the receipt of the first tranche of the grant, the management committee, in consultation with Otumfuo Osei the Second, the Asantehene, will temporarily close the Manhyia Palace Museum to the public with effect from Monday, 1st of February 2021 till the end or the last day in July 2021, just to pave way for uninterrupted works to be completed at the museum. As we have already mentioned, that there will be a serious renovation. The upgrade will comprise virtual tour setup for the Palace Museum, construction or refurbishment of the museum building, both exterior and interior, and the creation of a cafeteria to take care of our guests. It is noteworthy to mention that during this period of temporary closure, the gift shop of the museum will not be closed. The public can still patronize its products. On behalf of the management committee of Manhyia Palace Museum, I would like to thank most sincerely Otumfuo Osei the Second, Asantehene, for his unflinching support and assistance, the World Bank for giving us the grant, and then the former Minister of Tourism, Honorable Barbara Otinjesi, and her deputy, Honorable Ziblim Idi, Ghana Tourism Authority headed by Mr. Akwesi Ajiman, Project Coordinator Mr. Divine Ousu Ansa and his team, Grant Management Team headed by Mr. Ernest and Young, and lastly, Grant Committee headed by Mr. Tony Kwame Minta. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, thank you for your presence, and we hope that you will carry this message across to our cherished customers. And then to our customers or those who patronize the museum, we are grateful for the years that you have been with us and your interest in the product that we offer. To this end, We regret any inconvenience that you may have caused for that temporary closure. Thank you very much for your kind attention. And for any further inquiries to this end, you may contact the curator, Manhyia Palace Museum, on this number 0593170796 in case of any further inquiries. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen of the media.